Let us see the sentences in past continuous. We already know for the continuous sentence, we are having the sentence, we are having the raha, rahi, rahe. Okay, raha for male, rahi for female, and rahe for elders and plural format. Okay, raha, rahi, rahe. Then it is joined with the past tense form, rahata. Okay, for the past tense we have to use ta, te, ti. Okay, ta, te, ti. Likewise, for the continuous we are having raha, rahe, rahi. Okay, see sentences in past continuous. Now we are going to see the sentences in past continuous. We are seeing the some examples which we use in the day-to-day life. Okay, मैं पत्र लिख रहा था. मैं पत्र लिख रहा था. I was writing a letter. Okay, see here we are having rahata. This is for here it represents a male. Okay, rahata. मैं पत्र लिख रहा था. I was writing a letter. If it is female, we have to write as मैं पत्र लिख रही थी. Okay. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? See, रहे थे. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? Okay, what were you doing? सौम्या खेल रही थी. See here, it comes female. सौम्या. सौम्या खेल रही थी. सौम्या was playing. Then अध्यापक पाठ पढ़ा रहे थे. Okay, this is a respect. For respect we have to use rahe and the verb main verb is te. Rahe te. The teacher was teaching a lesson. हम चाय पी रहे थे. Here it comes for plural format. हम. Okay, we were drinking tea. हम चाय पी रहे थे. We were drinking tea. माँ खाना पका रही थी. Okay, माँ खाना पका रही थी. This is for respect. Mother was preparing food. मेरा दोस्त किताब ला रहा था. मेरा दोस्त किताब ला रहा था. My friend was bringing a book. गाय घास चर रही थी. गाय is a female cow. The cow was grazing the grass. Okay, the cow was grazing the grass. See the next one. आप किसका गाना सुन रही थी? Okay, it's a female. Whose song were you listening? आप किसका गाना सुन रही थी? तुम दुकान में क्या खरीद रहे थे? Okay, तुम दुकान में क्या खरीद रहे थे? What were you buying in the shop? वह बहुत देर तक सोच रहा था. Okay, वह here वह represents a male. रहा था. He was thinking for a long time. लड़के कक्षा में शोर मचा रहे थे. लड़के plural format of लड़का. रहे थे. Okay. लड़के कक्षा में शोर मचा रहे थे. Boys were making noise in the class. मैं राजा का गाना सुन रहा था. मैं राजा का गाना सुन रहा था. Okay, I was listening to Raja's song. पेड़ पौधे बाद में डूब रहे थे. पेड़ पौधे बाद में डूब रहे थे. Trees and plants were drowning in the flood. It is in the time of flood. Trees and plants were drowning in the flood. Next one. See, rahe the. Okay. Paid पौधे, trees and plants, plurals. राम कल मुंबई जा रहा था. राम कल मुंबई जा रहा था. Okay. Ram was going to Mumbai yesterday. Ram was going to Mumbai yesterday. The simple format is raha, rahi, rahe, and that we have to add for the past tense ta, te, ti to the verbs. Okay. We are while making a sentence, we have to subject and object. For the verb, we have to add rahate. Okay, rahata for male, rahiti for female, rahete. Okay, rahete for elders and plural formats. Okay, this is the format for making a sentence in past continuous tense. Okay, मैं पत्र लिख रहा था. I was writing a letter. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? सौम्या खेल रही थी. सौम्या was playing. अध्यापक पाठ पढ़ा रहे थे. The teacher was teaching lesson. हम चाय पी रहे थे. We were drinking tea. माँ खाना पका रही थी. Mother was preparing food. मेरा दोस्त किताब ला रहा था. My friend was bringing a book. गाय घास चर रही थी. The cow was grazing the grass. Okay, now going to the next one. आप किसका गाना सुन रही थी? Whose song were you listening? तुम दुकान में क्या खरीद रहे थे? What were you buying in the shop? वह बहुत देर तक सोच रहा था. He was thinking for a long time. लड़के कक्षा में शोर मचा रहे थे. Boys were making noise in the class. मैं राजा का गाना सुन रहा था. I was listening to Raja's song. पेड़ पौधे बाढ़ में डूब रहे थे. Trees and plants were drowning in the flood. राम कल मुंबई जा रहा था. Ram was going to Mumbai yesterday. Okay, these are the sentences we often used in the daily day-to-day life. Okay, don't skip this video, watch the video fully, then only we can understand the tenses in past tense, future tense and a past continuous tenses.